So if you watch the Portuguese MotoGP race, you know exactly what's going to happen. Semi close to this. And in the comments below, I want to hear your opinions on this. Do you think Marc Marquez's two long lap penalty, yeah, for the Argentina GP was acceptable for that crash right there? Do you think it needs to be something different? And also the fact, because he broke his metacarpal and had surgery on it, he'll be missing the Argentina GP. So he'll effectively negate the penalty. Yes, he's missing a race, which is fine. You know, he's losing points, so that's kind of the point of the penalty if you really want to get down to the nuts and bolts of it. But also, he's taken out Oliveira for who knows how long, 1 race, 2 races, whatever. So he's hurt his point chances far more than his own. And effectively, he just gets to skip out on a penalty because he hurt himself. So in the comments below, I want to hear from you. Do you think he should get a 1 race ban? It should just be moved to the next round whenever he actually does race. So I want to know in the comments below, what do you think? Because he did almost take out Jorge Martin too. You can see like he hits him and just absolutely smashes into the back of Oliveira, which in Oliveira's home race, he's a very, very unpopular person right now. But I want to hear from you in the comments below. What do you think the penalty should have been? Should it continue, move on to the next, or just whatever it is you want to say? Because it's kind of interesting. You can consider he got a 2 race penalty, and then even before Oliveira was announced to be missing or going to be missing the next GP because of injury, Marc Marquez has already been ruled out because a day after he'd already said he's going to have surgery, he's going to miss it. So effectively, he basically just gets a penalty for hurting himself. He does lose a race, so like there goes probably the championship with 2 races down or 1 race down DNF and 1 race did not start. But he's also hurting somebody else who apparently looked pretty good this year. So in the comments below, I want you to tell me, acceptable penalty for the 2 long laps? Should have been a 1 race ban? Does the 2 lap penalty move to the next time he races? Whatever it is, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts because playing the YouTube algorithm game, it does help me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.